Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The National Road Operating and Construction Company, NROC, officially launched the offer for sale of up to 1.75 billion ordinary shares in Trans-Jamaican Highway. Interestingly, these shares will be available for priority applications from strategic investors at a price of $3.60. If any of these reserved shares remain unpurchased, they will be made available for subscription by the general public. The offer for sale opens on March 4 and closes on March 18, 2025. As part of the offer for sale, NROC has set aside just over 700 million ordinary shares as reserved shares. NROC retains the option to increase the size of the offer by issuing an additional 750 million ordinary shares. Data released by the Bank of Jamaica revealed that net remittance flows to Jamaica declined by US $286 million during the period January to November last year when compared to the similar period in 2023. This as inflows declined to $3.059 billion during the review period, down from $3.37 billion in 2023. The central bank is also reporting that the majority of the $3.059 billion in gross remittance inflows to Jamaica for the period under review came from the United States, followed by the United Kingdom, Canada, and the Cayman Islands. Corporate reports were mixed between announcements of passive income for investors and financial results. Two companies advised that money would be coming to shareholders. Pan Jamaica Group Limited has declared a final dividend of 0.21 cents per share payable on March 31, 2025 to shareholders on record as at March 12, 2025. Carreras Limited has declared an interim dividend of 54 cents per share payable on April 3, 2025 to shareholders on record as at March 11, 2025. On the earnings side, Edufocal Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024 reports a year-end net loss of $57.97 million. For the trading period ending February 25, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Beverage manufacturer Jamaica Teas Limited with 4,215,841 units traded represented 14.21% of the market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 3,642,780 units traded representing 12.28% of market sales volume. Online educator One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 2,797,941 units traded representing 9.43% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On February 25, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 52.39 million purchased and US 56.91 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.43 per dollar selling the US at $157.86 and buying the US at $156.43. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.33 per transaction, with selling at $111.23 and buying at $109.90. The British pound yielded Forex traders $8.52 in profit, with selling at $201.92 and buying at $193.40. For our credit report tip of the day, by staying financially focused and leveraging the power of credit, you can take control of your child's education costs, even in the unpredictable world of being a freelancer. If your challenge is paying for books, supplies, and school fees that add up, then the solution is to source low-interest credit cards to spread out the payments without higher than needed interest, or leverage rewards cards for cashback. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.
In regional news, we start with